Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, I just got done doing the Bitcoin and the ADA video. Guys, if you follow this channel, we are currently 44 for 44 wins. I've been calling these moves out over here, and you guys can see that our 44th win was taking over here on, let me move up here a little bit. I believe it was on Matic. Yeah, Matic was 44.44. Here's our 43rd for 43rd trade right here. You guys can see that, 42nd, and then 41st, and so on and so forth. Everything has been documented on this channel. All right, if you guys have been watching this and you're like, hey, I want to get into a trade because I love what you're doing, here's your chance, guys. So, real quickly, if you guys are not subscribed over tradeconfident.io, you guys do need to do that. The pricing is just $49 a month. It gives you access to all of our metrics that I'm going to be going over today for Matic, as well as the live trade entries, okay? So what you guys are going to do here is you're going to go to the live page here under live trades, scroll down to Matic, okay? This is going to be on our first page at the bottom, Polygon. Once you guys click here, you guys are going to see this on the chart. I'm going to use Bitcoin for example. I'm going to keep it private for our subscribers. Here's what you're going to see. Every single morning, this chart's going to update. It's not going to update this morning because I want you guys to get into this trade with us because I think it's going to be a good one. Our traders are already in the profit, 5.40% from the trade that got called out last night because this has been a buy limit that has been on this chart for like the last 3 days. I want you guys to set up because there is a possibility we can come back down here and trigger this in here because I want you guys to get into this trade. I'll show you guys how we called this move up here in a second with the trend exhaustion. So what you're going to do is you have $1,000. You want to take that $1,000 and place 25% at each buy limit. Obviously, we're using Bitcoin for an example, but all of our live trading charts look the same. Okay, guys? So 25% at this level, 25, 25, 25, 25. Once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit at the first yellow line, and that's how you guys are going to exit the strategy. If you have questions, just watch this video down here. It's super simple, and then all the access to the metrics are actually down at the bottom here. If you click this, it'll take you to the metrics. If you have a question, email me at betradeconfident@gmail.com. All right, guys, let's get into the juicy good stuff today. So the trend exhaustion, I will be going over. This is going to be going up in 1 day. At the end of this month, it's done. Guys, the 29th is today, the 30th is tomorrow, and that marks the end of the month, okay? So you guys have one more day for the trend exhaustion before I up the price of this very quickly. This is in the description. You guys will be taken to this page if you guys click the link in the first comment of this video or the description. These are sold separately from our membership. Here's the bundle pack. This is the best deal you guys will get. It is the cheapest. You guys get all of our indicators, and this will not go up in price. These will be going up in price, guys, in the next month, so this will always appreciate. This is the best deal if you guys want to get this. You'll get all of our indicators so you can follow along. All right, let's get into this. What are they doing, guys? They are calling the moves almost with deadly accuracy. Watch this. Yesterday, I got a lot of questions, and it said, Travis, what's going to happen with Matic? What's going to happen with cryptocurrency? I said, well, if we're looking at the trend exhaustion, we're at the bottom red section. The money flow is also at the bottom red section. I called this out in the Telegram channel yesterday. I said, most likely what happens here is that we're going to see moves up in the market. And that's exactly what we're seeing here, guys. Well, why am I so confident about that? Look at what happened last time we got here. We hit the consolidation period, these wicks down, and we started moving back up. If you ever see the trend exhaustion push to the bottom side here, guys, and you guys actually see the price move back down, this is a sign you could start moving up very quickly. Let's go to the past here, and let me give you guys some proof of this. If you guys watch this move here, we were able to call this move on this channel here for all the cryptos, and there's a reason why. Follow this here. It's why you guys need these indicators on here. If you guys have a low, and price action creates a lower low, and you look at the well money flow and it creates a low and a higher low, this is showing you clearly that money is flowing back into the market. It's obvious. It literally is it's the well money flow, okay? As the flow is moving back, money's moving back into the market here, this is telling us that the price can't go down any further. Like literally if the money's flowing in the market and it's going down, it's like, hey, big precursor, the wells are piling up here so they can buy in and so they can actually sell when they get to a high over here. Yes, our metrics did actually call this as well, which I'll show you in a second. So previous time before that, we ended up seeing dip in the red section here. It literally got right down here before we saw a move up. Were we able to predict the drop? Yes, we were. Top red section, we saw the price get right up here, and then we started seeing it move back down. It doesn't even matter if you pull this when it got into the first red section here, guys. You are not supposed to be buying into these moves up here. This is what FOMO does. It gets you guys excited that we're going to be heading up. You want to save yourself thousands and tens of thousands of dollars? Get these two indicators on your charts, and this will tell you guys where the prices are going to move down before it happens. Watch, I'll prove it to you guys again here. Price action is moving up here. You guys can see that right there. We see the price action moving up. We see the well money flow and the trend exhaustion at these top levels here. This is clearly telling me that money is flowing out of the market and we are at top levels and wells are looking to take profits. Like this did not even exist over here. This just looked like a higher low formation looking to form a higher high. That's why people bought into these green candles. But if you guys had these indicators, you were clearly able to see that the drop was coming, okay? That's how it predicted the drop here. We predicted the drop here. We also called the move up over here as well. Guys, these indicators are insane. So moving over to the live trade, you guys all got triggered in. I have date stamps for all of these so that everything's kept transparent. So nobody can literally be like, did you guys really enter that trade? Yes, we have, well, first of all, we have Telegram proof over here, which is ridiculous because I have really good notes over there. And then video proof of all the dates on all of these. And then I have hundreds of you guys that can vouch for all of these moves because you're trading with us with your exchange data. So this is really, really fun here. So I want you guys to do this. If you want to get into these trades today, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and Matic, you guys need to set up your long trades as I mentioned over here. TradeConfident.io, set up your 4 buy limits and get in here. Let me give you guys a little bit more of what I think is going to happen with Matic here. And we got to go over the metrics, okay? This is going to give us an idea. The trend exhaustion, the well money flow here has been at the bottom. So this to me is looking like a more of a bullish sign that we could possibly keep heading up here. Once we get to the top red section, guys, listen very carefully, okay? Those of you in this long trade, once we get to the top red section up here, I am probably going to be calling a 50% exit. If I don't do that on the channel, guys, because I am doing errands, I have a new baby here. Me and our newborn, a lot of you guys have been on this journey with us. We just hit 5 weeks 2 days ago. So that's pretty cool. So he's 5 weeks old. It's super fun to have a newborn baby. Running a business, helping you guys. It's crazy over here, but we're having a lot of fun. So what I want you guys to do is watch when this gets to the top red section to be looking to take exits. I'm doing this exact same thing on my account over here because I'm literally trading with you guys on Ethereum and ADA right now with my live account in here. So I am in here with you guys, fully committed. Let's go over the metrics here. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in about 45 minutes. The emotional index, guys, for Matic, where is it sitting? I want you guys to do your homework with me on here and call this out before I say it. It's in the anxious section. Can you guys guess what Wells and institutions are doing right now? If you follow straight down and you go to Well and Institutional Smart Money, they are accumulating their long trades. I wonder why they're doing that. Well, last time when everyone thought we were going to the moon in here because we broke this structure high here and everyone was FOMOing in, everybody who was smart and following the Well and Institutional Smart Money, they were shorting or selling their positions, which was perfectly predicting the move back down. I'll prove it to you again. Everybody in here who was coming down and they were selling because they were scared of this market going down, what were Wells and Institutions doing? They were buying this thing up like crazy, guys, and the price moved up right afterwards. What happened over here? People were buying. We broke the structure high. We're going to the moon. I don't want to miss out. This is people in here at the top here. They are FOMOing. I don't know if I can draw this on the chart here. This is FOMO, guys, right at these top prices here. They FOMO'd. What did institutions and Wells do, guys? Follow this metric, please. They were shorting and the price dropped. All right, what's happening right now? They had an incredible amount of accumulation of long trades in here when the market dropped and they saw the spike back up. That spike, guys, is this spike right here, okay? What's happening right now? As the market's moving down and people are selling because they're anxious, they think it's going to go to the bottom, what are we doing? We're buying into this thing and we're making money. Like literally hundreds of you guys are in this trade right now. More of you guys need to watch this video because this is not how many subscribers we have. Guys, please come over here and join the Telegram channel. If you're going to trade by yourself, that's awesome. But if you need help, there's more than 859 of you. I know that for sure. But those of you guys who are in here, I'm just trying to show you that right now is not the time to be selling. It's the time to be accumulating. And I'm doing exactly what I'm telling you guys, and I'm buying myself. And we are 44 for 44 wins, okay? Follow me down here. As far as good long over short trades, it's definitely, if this isn't clear too, guys, it's a good long trade setup. Great long trade setup was literally at the bottom. It dipped down into the bottom green section here, and we immediately saw a move back up. Guys, it's pretty insane. Once you start following these metrics, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, it actually makes sense. I've been losing so much in the market because I've been doing what this is doing here, and if I just switch to doing what these guys are doing, I'm going to make money. Well, all of my trade calls are based off of smart money, Wells, and institutions, okay? This metric was coded after I actually worked with hedge funds and worked with a bunch of big Wells, okay? We have probably one of the, I'm not trying to be arrogant about this, but we probably have one of the wealthiest traders in our channel here. I know this because I coach them one-on-one. I do one-on-one coaching if you guys want that. I charge $500 an hour. It's not cheap, but the people who get that have between $100,000 to $1 million that I coach with, and it's just one-on-one time with me, and I can help you guys. If you want that, just email me about it. You guys literally just get your indicators, set your buy limits up, and follow me on Telegram, and that will give you guys literally everything you need. It's just for people who want one-on-one coaching, if who have a ton of money and they're like, what do I do with it? I can't give financial advice, but I've had a lot of fun helping you guys over coaching. Okay, let's get into this. As far as Matic, if Matic's going to move up here, where am I going to be looking for a breakdown? It's the quarters theory number of 125, okay? 125, where does that place us? Well, right up at this structure right here. So here's structure high. If we get anywhere close to the structure high here, guys, I'm looking to take massive profit in this, okay? I'm probably going to be seeing the trend exhaustion head up here if we get to this top level, as well as the well money flow. What happened in the past? It dropped, it dropped, it dropped. Every single time we get up into the top red section, we drop. Why am I calling exits? Because we drop, guys. How much profit is that going to be? It's probably going to put you guys at around 19% profit, which is fantastic to look to exit some trades here. I might actually come out here soon if we get to this structure high and probably call around a 25 to 50% exit and have you guys move your stop loss to break even to guarantee ourselves a trade here. Most likely, our Bitcoin and our Matic trade that just got triggered in on the 28th, you guys can see this as well over here. I just keep track of all this, the 28th as well, which was yesterday. This is probably going to be our 45th and our 46th winning trade on this channel, okay? Watch it, subscribe, start trading, guys. This is so much fun. All right, if that wasn't enough to tell you guys to buy, the dollar cost average entries are alerting you, hello, guys, check this every single day. If you guys get a green bar in here, this is telling you if you have $1,000, you want to throw $100 into the market every time. If you have 100,000, you want to throw $1,000 in every time. This is what you guys need to be doing. This is for those of you who want to hold for 5 to 10 years and you want to wait for the moon to go, the price to go past the moon. These are great entries, guys. This is not going to get you in at the top prices. Will it get you in at the bottom every time? No metric is going to do that. But this is giving us a sign to say, hey, heads up. By the way, you guys might want to get your long trade set up because the dollar cost average thing has just been flashing off here. Now, let's go down here to the exit points. This called the top here before move down. It called the top here before move down. It called the top here. It called the top there. It even called this before the move down. It called this move down. It called this move down. And it called this move down over here. The only one that didn't play out exactly as we thought was this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and only one. This is a scale out position. Even you can arguably say like maybe it headed down just a little bit right there. Like what I'm using this for is now that we're in a live trade, I'm going to be watching this metric as well as the trend exhaustion to look to take profits and call exits out here. Guys, you can do this all yourself. This is so much ridiculous fun. You want to hear some more fun? Go over here to the profit section. Tomorrow and Friday, I'm going to be updating like 8 more testimonials in here just from this last week. $1,280 in the last 24 hours. My portfolio is all green despite the dip. The metrics rock. He started using the metrics. $5,000 in a week. $1,100 on Solana. It just gets insane. $7,700 here. This guy down here, I love this. He was like, I just gave up. I'm just getting the metrics and let's do this. Tired of missing out. Got subscribed. Got your metrics. Bam. Sweet. People are doing fantastic. It's fun if you guys want to watch there. Let me wrap this video up right here. If you guys want to get in and you want to trade with us, just come over here and get your membership. It's $49 a month. Set up your live trade right now with Cardano. Set it up with Dogecoin. Set it up with Bitcoin. Set it up with Ethereum. Set it up with Matic, okay? Once you guys do that, get your indicators over here and make sure you're set up. There's a tutorial video that comes with every one of these downloads. You guys get the source code and you can upload them to TradingView, and here you get the indicators for life. I get this question a lot. It's a one-time purchase, guys. Pay for these once and you'll get them forever. I'm raising the price in one day, okay? I explained that in the beginning of this video. Make sure you're set up. Everything is in the description or the first comment of this video. And I want you guys to get in here and start trading with us because I think we have some massive opportunities here because we're so stinking low. Guys, we're not buying in at the top. We are buying in down here. This has massive potential to move up. Get in here, set yourself up, join us on these trades, and let's see if we can hit 45 and 46 wins before the end of this week in the next 2 days. I'll keep you guys updated. God bless you so much. Get everything you need in the description, and let's do this. See you guys. Bye-bye.